up guys, Miguel here for Active Racing. Today we're going to be installing the visors for 2011 Honda Civic, the 4-door sedan. And these I got from Amazon. They're very steady and very durable. They come in a couple of options on the color. This is the closest that matches the interior of this Civic. And the previous one was hanging and would not go back up, so that's when you know it's time to replace these. Very simple. It comes with all the screws, and you just gotta place it right in here. Gotta click it and just install it. So this comes with different you can either use a flathead or these special hex keys, like a star hex key on it. So what I do is I use the flathead to get it going, and then I tie in it with the hash keys. So I will put this one here, okay, so I can hold it. This is literally just tie it down and get it nice and snuggle in here, and then grab it all over. There's only 2 screws that come with these guys, and just kind of like play with it until you get the other one in there. The second one is a little bit harder to get to, as you guys can see, but I just try to do it as best as possible. Just kind of pull it off. You kind of do it with both hands, guys. Get it going. Same way to install it is the same way you remove the old ones. So grab the hash keys and just snug it down. Don't go overhead. Just kind of tie it down and tight. Don't strip them. And here you go, guys. Just right up. Just close perfectly fine. Closer look also by so you guys can see it, how it comes out. It sits perfectly. A little bit snuggle here, not that bad, and it closes it even. And when it opens good. So overall, that's good. I will be leaving all the links for the visors on the description below. Thank you for watching, guys.